Hello and welcome to ucanplumbing. I am Mark the plumber, and today we're going to take a look inside the tank of our Vormax, American Standard Vormax toilet. Now, this is just to help you figure out what's going on with yours, make sure it's flushing properly. First thing we'll start with before it flushes, if you take a look at your fill valve right here, you'll see you should be down about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch, somewhere in that amount is the right spot to be. And right now, if I stop talking for a second, we hear nothing. That's because there's no water movement. That means this valve is working properly. Our flush valve is working properly. We're filled up to the right level because no water's trickling down into here. And more importantly, those seals down there underneath those two flappers are both working properly. Now, when we're looking down in here, you want to make sure that both your flappers are connected with their chains. There, both mine are connected, so we're all good. Put my phone in the water, that wasn't probably a good idea. So you'll see they both have floats. Both the floats are below the water line. That is okay. The pressure from the water holds the flappers down. Now you'll see that little bar between the two, the balance bar there, it's on an angle. Now watch when we flush. They both come up at basically the exact same time. Now I was going to talk while it's flushing, but if you notice the proper work, water was pouring out of here into the fill valve. That brings your toilet bowl level up. The tank level is filled down lower by this valve, and it was all working fine. It takes probably about 10-12 seconds for your tank to fill after a flush, depending on if you just push the handle down and let go immediately. It's about a 2.5 second dumping cycle for the water to flush into the toilet. Now, say you went out and it was draft and wing night, maybe you want to hold that handle down a little bit longer until the whole tank empties. Maybe you hold that handle down till you hear no more water, see no more water flushing into the toilet. Anyways, that's your call. On just a regular flush where you push down and let go, 2.5-3 seconds before those flappers go back down, and they both seat around the same time. Their floats bring them up with the water, and as the water level drops, it reseats it. That's why if you hold the handle down, it allows more water out. Now, I will show that again. You can see both floats are underwater there. There is that angle. The biggest thing is make sure that the chain is connected. That could be a problem if you're finding your toilet is not emptying properly. And just make sure that there's no knots in those chains. Make sure they're the right length, that they came standard length. And that's about all I can say for this flushing. So recap, 2.5 seconds on a regular flush, 2.5 to 3 seconds on a complete fill. It's all going to depend on your water pressure also. But I would say probably somewhere around 12-13 seconds is your average refill time. Anyways, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you would like to hear or know of more in depth, or if I'm not covering it properly. Please subscribe, and we will talk to you in the next video. Thank you again.